no! This cannot be happening! Is she really talking about work during our pizza date?
Oh, John, welcome to the world of Anna and Tom.
Poor Tom just wanted a romantic night, but Anna has a huge idea for a business proposal involving plastic vegetables.
That is right. Today we follow this duo as they pivot from a quiet dinner to a high-stakes business pitch.
They are turning plastic aubergines into professional table decorations. It sounds crazy, but it might just work.
We will see them deal with spilled wine and late-night product development to impress their boss, Paul.
It's a total roller coaster.
And if you stay with us for the full 30 minutes, you will master the persuasive language needed for your own career.
You will learn how to use words like quality, efficiency, and fantastic to make your ideas stand out.
We promise you will leave this episode feeling confident in any professional communication.
So, are you ready to turn your ideas into profit?
Let's dive into the story.
I can almost smell the pizza, Emily. Can you? Can you smell that fresh dough and the melting cheese?
I can, John. It is the perfect setting for a romantic night. The lights are low, the music is soft. It is a beautiful little Italian restaurant.
Poor Tom. He is sitting there, looking at Anna. He's wearing his best shirt. He even used his favorite cologne. He's thinking, tonight is the night. I will tell Anna how I feel.
I know. He wants this to be a real date, but Anna has other things on her mind.
She isn't even looking at the menu, Emily. She's looking at the decorations on the table.
Uh-huh. That is because Anna is always thinking about work. She's looking at the little basket of plastic vegetables in the middle of the table.
No, don't do it, Anna. Don't talk about the plastic vegetables.
Too late, John. Anna picks up a plastic aubergine. She holds it up to the light. She says, Tom, look at this. It is terrible. The quality is so low. We can do better than this.
Tom just stares at her. He says, Anna, the pizza is coming. Can we just relax? But Anna is on fire now. She says, no, Tom, think about it. A business proposal. We can make plastic vegetables that are actually beautiful.
And that, John, is the start of their new product development. She isn't thinking about a boyfriend. She's thinking about a business pitch.
It is so funny. Tom tries to be romantic. He says, your eyes are like the stars, Anna. And Anna replies, my eyes see a gap in the market, Tom. We can make these aubergines into containers for salt and pepper.
That is actually a very clever idea. Plastic aubergines that serve as table decorations and sauce holders. It's practical and pretty.
Tom realizes he cannot win. If he wants to spend time with Anna, he has to talk about business. So he gives up on the romance. He takes out a pen.
Right. He says, okay, Anna, let's do it. Let's write a business proposal for Paul. But we need to use very persuasive language.
Yes, persuasive language. That is so important when you want to sell an idea. You have to make the other person feel excited.
Exactly. Anna starts listing words. She says the product must be exceptional.
Exceptional. That is a strong word, Emily. It sounds much better than just saying good.
Oh, much better. It means it's special. It stands out. And then she mentions quality.
Paul loves that word. If a product has high quality, people will trust it. It's not just a cheap toy. It's a professional tool for a restaurant. Tom is getting into the spirit now. He says, Anna, think about the profit. If every restaurant in the city buys these, we'll make a lot of money.
Now they are both working. The pizza arrives, but they're too busy talking about efficiency and value for money to even take a bite.
Value for money is a great phrase for their business pitch. It means the customer gets a lot of benefit for the price they pay.
Exactly. They're sitting there, two people at a small table, surrounded by drawings of plastic vegetables on paper napkins.
It is a very professional communication for a pizza place. But then something goes wrong.
Oh, what happened?
Tom is very excited. He's moving his arms around, explaining how the aubergine will open. He says, and then the sauce comes out here.
Oh no, I think I know what is coming.
He hits his glass of red wine with his elbow.
Oh no, not the wine.
Tom, the wine tips over. It's moving across the table like a red river. It's going right toward their notes.
Oh, Tom, all their great ideas, all that persuasive language is on those napkins.
Anna screams, "The proposal! Save the proposal!" They both jump up. People in the restaurant are looking at them.
This is not the romantic evening Tom planned at all.
Not at all. The table is a mess. The napkins are soaked in red wine. They have to leave.
But they don't stop, do they?
No. Tom says my flat is just around the corner. We can go there, clean up, and start again.
So the work continues. They're heading to Tom's flat now, but they're both a bit wet and very stressed.
I hope they can save the idea. A business proposal written in red wine might be hard to read.
We'll have to see if they can turn this disaster into a success. Let's take a look at some of the words they were using before the wine incident.
I am still thinking about that poor pizza, Emily. It was just sitting there, getting cold while they talked about work.
I know, John. It is a bit sad for Tom. But Anna was so excited. She had such a great idea for her business proposal.
Right, a proposal. That is a word we should talk about. It sounds very serious, doesn't it?
It does. A business proposal is a formal plan. You write it down to show an idea to a boss or client. It explains what you want to do and why it is a good idea.
I see. So Anna is turning her plastic vegetables idea into a real plan.
Exactly. And she used some very strong words to describe it. Do you remember when she said the quality was exceptional?
Oh, yes, exceptional. That is a fancy word for really, really good, right?
You got it. It means something is much better than average. If you say a product is exceptional, you are telling people it is special.
I like that. I want my work to be exceptional, too.
It is, John, it is. Now, what about the word efficiency? That one is a bit harder to say.
E-F-F-I-C-I-E-N-C-Y. Yes, it is a mouthful. It means doing things well without wasting time or money or effort.
Perfect. Paul, the boss, loves that word. In business, everyone wants more efficiency. They want to work smarter, not harder.
Aha, I see. And that leads to the last one, value for money.
Right. Value for money. That is when the price you pay is good for the quality of the thing you buy.
So, if the plastic aubergines look beautiful but do not cost too much, they are good value for money.
Exactly. Anna is using persuasive language. She wants to convince Paul that her idea will make a big profit.
She is very good at this. Her professional communication is much better than mine when I'm hungry.
Well, hunger makes it hard for everyone, John. But these words are the keys to a great business pitch.
I feel like I'm learning so much. It's like we are right there in the restaurant with them, but without the pizza.
Don't worry. We'll get back to the story soon. Let's take a second to think about these words. It is time for our shadowing practice. I am so happy to do this with you, John.
I am happy too, Emily. This is the best way to learn. I will repeat everything you say.
And everyone listening, please repeat the sentences with John. We will leave a long pause for you.
I'm ready. My voice is ready. Let's start.
Anna and Tom are having a meal.
Anna and Tom are having a meal.
That is a great start. Now let's talk about the business side.
Yes, let's do it.
Anna is thinking about a business proposal.
Anna is thinking about a business proposal.
She wants to talk about work during dinner.
She wants to talk about work during dinner.
Poor Tom. He just wanted pizza.
I know, but the idea is very interesting.
It really is. Let's practice that. They have an idea for plastic vegetables.
They have an idea for plastic vegetables.
The plastic aubergines look very beautiful.
The plastic aubergines look very beautiful.
You are doing a great job, John. How are you feeling at home? Good? Let's keep going.
I am feeling fantastic. Give me more sentences, Emily.
Okay. They're focused on product development.
They're focused on product development.
This idea will change the restaurant world.
This idea will change the restaurant world.
Now let's try some of our special vocabulary words. These are very important for a business pitch.
Oh, I remember those. They make the proposal sound very strong.
Exactly. They use persuasive language. Let's try it.
I'm ready.
The quality of the product is exceptional.
The quality of the product is exceptional.
This is a fantastic opportunity for Paul.
This is a fantastic opportunity for Paul.
Wow, John, you sound very professional.
Thank you, Emily. I want to sound like a businessman.
Let's do another one. The company will see a high profit.
The company will see a high profit.
We must show the efficiency of our plan.
We must show the efficiency of our plan.
Efficiency. That is a hard word, but you did it perfectly.
It means doing things well and quickly, right?
That is right. Let's try two more. The customers get good value for money.
The customers get good value for money.
Our business pitch must be very clear.
Our business pitch must be very clear.
Amazing! You are a natural at this.
It is because you are a great teacher, Emily. The pauses help a lot.
I'm glad. Let's do a few more about their professional communication.
Okay, let's go.
Anna uses persuasive language to sell her idea.
Anna uses persuasive language to sell her idea.
They need to write a professional proposal.
They need to write a professional proposal.
Tom is helping Anna with the project.
Tom is helping Anna with the project.
Even if he wanted a romantic night, he is a good friend.
He really is. He's supporting her dreams.
Let's finish with a very strong sentence.
I'm ready for the big one.
Their product development will be a success.
Their product development will be a success.
Yes, I believe in them.
I do too. Plastic aubergines for everyone.
Maybe not for everyone, John, but definitely for Paul's business.
You're right. This was a great practice session. My mouth feels a bit tired, but my heart is happy.
That is the best way to feel. You worked hard today.
So what happens next? Do they actually finish the proposal at Tom's house?
Well, the wine was spilled, but they're not giving up.
I want to see how they finish it.
All right, let's get back to the story. Wow, we had so much fun today. Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Our question is, have you ever talked about a business proposal or a business pitch on a romantic date?
That is a big question. Maybe you can share your answer with us.
Oh, like this. No way. I only talk about the pizza.
Exactly. Or, yes, my partner and I love talking about product development.
That sounds much better than what Tom did.
It really does. Now, let's think about everything we heard today. What a night for Anna and Tom. From pizza to a business proposal for plastic vegetables.
It was not romantic, but it was very exciting. We hope you learned some persuasive language today.
Yes, keep practicing your business pitch, and we will see you soon. Goodbye.
Congratulations on making it all the way through the lesson with Emily and John. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right in the center of your screen so you never miss our next lesson. You can also check out more videos right over here on the left or right side. We've picked them just for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.